Session. Okay, so SV will get over maximum by Saturday, most probably. Okay, if I extend also, another one day will get extended. So from Monday onwards, I will be conducting two sessions every day. Okay, so Laya, you will be available, no, like for two sessions per day.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that slowly we can discuss. Okay, small topics. So many labs are there in UVM. Okay, even you people have to practice. So two sessions per day I will take. That is why little here it is getting delayed. Once I complete SV, I will be free. Okay, na timings I will tell. Okay, same 4 o'clock is constant. Okay, maybe 1:30 or morning I will set one timings. Okay, two session we can conduct for one day. Okay, na so that syllabus also will get completed soon. Plus, you can even in between I will give the time for you people for some presentation. Okay, so if you present in front of me, main importantly, as I told, my agenda is to complete the syllabus soon and give you more presentations. Okay, means I will ask you people to come prepared for the presentation. Plus we will conduct the review also. Okay, that's my main motto. Okay, because it's not like only explaining will not give you the efficiency. Okay, explanation, let us complete it soon, and after that I will take number of mock interviews. Okay, so then only I will become perfect in UVM. Okay, yes. And every day every day as soon as I complete the session, I'm updating the tracker. Okay, so please make sure to check this tracker along with the slides I am updating. Okay, even that slide also I have updated on that day only, but as I fell ill, I didn't I canceled the session. Okay, yes, so even syllabus also I have updated, still it is there. Okay, still a virtual sequencer TLM concept I didn't update. I will update that also. Okay, now I will update that also, maybe by in another. So today is what, 26th. Okay, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So my target, it's I don't think so I can complete it. Okay, because it will take long duration. Still my target is to complete this much syllabus by 31st. Okay, if possible. Okay, or else that's fine, let us extend it. Okay, still concepts are there. Okay, another two concepts are pending. TLM only, it will take 2 days for me to explain TLM concept, because there also we have lot many labs. Okay, and one more is what, virtual sequencer. Okay, those concepts are still pending, I will update. Okay, so some part of the syllabus I just planned it today, I just updated that. Okay, na, yes. And previously also what all labs I have provided, I guess so it is present here. Let me check. Immediately I'm posting that. Okay, so please download and do the simulation. Once I complete the syllabus, I will ask you people to share the screen, and I will ask you people to explain the code in front of me. Okay, no need to panic, I'll not ask you people to perfectly explain. Okay, when you do this, what happens one to one, when you explain to other candidates, it will be like even I can guide you people where exactly you are going wrong. Okay, so I will tell something and you may have not understood in a proper way. That correction we will do it. Okay, for that at least 3 4 days I need for the presentation part. Okay, yes. So see here, lab section. In the lab section, okay, all the labs whatever we have discussed so far I have posted here. Okay, na, yes. Even today I am discussing about the lab only. Lab of the driver sequencer handshaking mechanism in the EDA playground, it is there. Okay, that I will post and in the post in the classroom now. Okay, na. So this is one thing. And last session what we discussed is driver sequencer handshaking mechanism, a normal procedure. The interview question we have discussed, na, that I have done the simulation in the question. Okay, now today whatever I'm doing the simulation is in the EDA playground with a different scenario. Okay, what is that scenario means, as I told, driver sequencer handshaking mechanism, what we discussed in the last session was constant. It was a constant answer. Okay, but that is not only one diagram, we have different scenarios, like with response packet. RSP means response packet, REQ means request. Okay, but you can see here, no, you are having some FIFO box. Actually FIFO is not present here. For our visibility, for our understanding purpose, they are giving this. Okay, request, that request REQ we are sending na, that itself is a FIFO, that itself is behaving like a FIFO. Okay, so when I am teaching tomorrow about the sequence, you get to know. Okay, how exactly we are in here we have a steps na, there what is the importance of that REQ I will tell in tomorrow's session. Okay, don't misunderstand that in the sequencer we are having a FIFO, no. Okay, just for our understanding, in the diagram they have kept, that's it. Okay, na, same steps. So here get next item done. Okay, so here create item, wait for grant, randomize, send request, wait for item done. Same thing we are taking, same diagram it is there, but only thing is response also we are creating. How to create a response, that I will tell. And one more thing, there is some small definition called as what is sequence arbitration. Sequence arbitration means, already yesterday I explained that, means in the last session I explained that the process of, see, driver also is giving the request, sequence also is giving the request. Driver is giving the request, na, that you don't consider, but sequence is giving the request for the sequencer. Why, you tell me? It is asking for the request to check whether the driver is available or no. That request it will ask. Once the driver is available, it will grant the permission, correct na? This process is called a sequence arbitration process. One small definition you can make a note. Okay, already I explained, but I didn't tell that it is called a sequence arbitration. So here it is visible, you can just make a note of that. Okay na? Now in the code, how exactly we are doing that? uh, uh, Using get next item then with response packet. See, same steps what I thought in the questassim, exactly the same steps. In fact, there only you can do. One second, I think I have logged out. Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, in the questassim what codes I have written, exactly the same codes only I have taken here, no changes. Only thing is here, see, I'll again once again go through everything. So this is a test bench file. Okay, inside that I have written a sequence, correct na? Everything is same, only thing is I need response, correct? Sorry, request and response also I need, correct na? See here, in the info response packet I have written req dot rspb, and this response where I have declared in the driver. See here, req dot rsp underscore b. This is only one step extra I am adding. If you want the response to get printed, request I was sending, even in the last session code also I was sending the request, same codes. Okay, even I think there also I have written it, I have commented it on the other day. If you can check it, okay, it's there. There also I have executed the same thing. Even if you run same output only, you will get a different output, will not get. Okay na? Two extra lines I'm adding. One is to display the response here, plus in the driver I am going to write the response equal to 1. See, by default I'm writing it as 1 because the moment I get the pointer here, this response will be given back to the sequence, and from the sequence you will get a print of rsp is equal to 1. Okay, actually this line I have written, I'll show it. Even in the custom codes also I have written this. You can do the simulation and check. Uncomment it and do the simulation. Same output only you will get. Only thing is RSP is response equal to 1 output, you will get it. Okay na? So wait, I'll show that. I have written it. In the driver, see. See, I have written. I have commented it. Okay, I'll uncomment now. Save it. Open. In the TB, not TB sequence part. See, I have uncommented. Okay, I need to get that response. Get response you have to uncomment. Okay, and you're supposed to print that. That's it. Save this and run the code. Okay, extra two lines I have added. Get response I have added. There in the driver I have declared that response handle equal to 1. I think here declaration also. Okay, RSP equal to 1 here. Okay, I'll run the code now. In the questassim only. Okay, in the EDA not required. Here only you can run. Work directory you have to delete if it is present. Every time you do the simulation, run the code. Do space run dot do. For all the labs you will get. It is not declared. I think. Wait. I think it is somewhere. I have to declare that. I think in the declaration I should do RSP underscore B. Where is that? 1 minute. Here it is written. No. REQ. Let me see the sequence item file. See here. I should declare that right now. Inside the REQ, I'm having response. Correct na? Save this and now run declaration. Okay. Same output we will get, no difference. Okay, whatever we have got for the previous, same thing we will get it. Okay, wait, let it get over. Hmm. Okay, see, same thing, whatever the displays we have given, those only we are supposed to verify over here. Okay, and wait for item done. I see first sequence, it will start from sequence, this one. Okay, and RSP, I think here it is not getting printed. 1 minute, let me check it. So RSP equal to 1, where I am giving that in the TB. Here, this I should get print UVM high it is. Wait, what I have given in the run file, UVM high only I have given. I should get it, no response. I was supposed to get here. Wait a minute, in the EDA, let me check. It's login only, no? Reload. Uh, Here, wait, here it's there. See. Okay, here it is getting printed. Maybe there it's not. I think which path I have uploaded, I'll see once. Okay, in the EDA you can see it is getting uploaded here. Okay, na RSP equal to 1 you should get, except the remaining answer, just RSP equal to 1 you have to get, because by default I have written here in the driver. By default I have written here. Okay, na, yes. So that you can either do in the EDA or you can do in the Questa. Do it in the Questa only, you will get it. Okay, so here I think I mentioned the wrong path. You can just look into that. Okay, so that's about with response packet. What extra steps you need to add, let me tell again. In the driver I am writing req.rsp equal to 1. This req means what? Sequence item handle. So inside the sequence item I need to declare this. Okay, na, in the sequence item I have declared it. Okay, next, in the TB I am using the get response, extra step. Okay, after wait for, actually wait for item done was the last step. Okay, na, now I need the response also. So I'm using get response, extra inbuilt method, and req. Okay, request, from the request only I need to get the response. Okay, na, so inside the request I'm having a response word. That response I have already declared in the driver has 1. That will be printed in the sequence. Here here it will be printed in the sequence. Okay, na, so like this you are going to work for the this particular code. Just here get response you are adding, which was not present initially, only 5 steps present. Now see, sixth step also I got it. Okay, that, but that RSP you have to declare here in the driver, and in the sequence item you have to declare the data type for the response. Okay, yes. Next, here also same thing, request and response. Actually this response before they have to draw here, they have drawn. Here they have to actually draw, here they have not drawn. Okay, this is without response packet. Wait, this one, I think I have kept this diagram. No, sorry, this diagram it is with response packet. Okay, this response packet we have got get response also we have got. Okay, na, this is fine. Without response packet already we have done the simulation in the last session in the Questa sim. Same thing. Okay, na, without just normal 5 methods. Here 3 methods without the response, only REQ what was utilized. The last session, that is what we have done the simulation. Okay, na, and I think that is completed last session only. Wait. Here lab simulation I have done, no? Yes. That was without the response packet only. That was without response packet. With response and without response, both you can do in a Questa. Okay, na? Next. By using get and set method, sorry, so put and get method, this one. This is something that you again don't know. Okay, so we used to use get next item and item done. Now I am using get and put method. As I told, get and put method is also a part of driver inbuilt method only. Okay, here response also I'm taking, request also I'm taking, but only difference is instead of using get next item done, I am using get method and put method. That's it. Okay, so for this, what changes you can make? Check the driver, only driver changes will be there. Okay, see, only this one, get method, put method. Even response I have taken, because look into the diagram, clearly they have given request also they have given, response, request and response both they are giving. Okay na. So that that you don't erase, just instead of get next item item done, in the question sim code only, okay, just comment that and write these two lines, that's it. Okay, still same answer only you will get. Other you no need to change anywhere. Okay, everything is same. Okay, you no need to change anywhere. Only in the driver, instead of get next item item done, you just change that to get and set method. Again you will get the same output, no change in the output, same output you will get, but only I'm trying to teach different ways of writing the code, that's it. Okay, so this three scenario, please read it. Okay, even lab, this I think is, do you need this in the EDA playground? I'll do one thing, this one, just take a snapshot of this. Okay, this one, what I'm trying to tell you is, here you have a driver na, here the comment this one. Okay, like this. Okay, I'll comment this as of now. Okay, whichever one you use, either get next item or get. Okay, in the single file only you can do everything. In the single lab only you can execute all the three labs actually. Okay, like this. Okay now, when using get and put method, comment this one, comment this statement and uncomment this. Okay, comment this, uncomment this, that's it. Okay, let me save it. That's it, remaining all are similar. Okay, first what I thought, simple 5 steps without the get response, only request I have sent, first procedure. Second procedure what I did, along with the request and response both I have taken. When response is taken, then we have to make sure that response is declared in sequence item driver, and we need to display that in the sequence, because when you see the diagram, the last file is the sequence file. In the sequence only you should get the last response. Okay, next, instead of get next, third procedure, instead of get next item and item done, we are taking the get and put method. Okay, like that it is. Okay na. Yes, so in the same file. Okay, so I'll not give this EDA, no, not necessary actually. Okay, so you guys can just do the three scenarios in the same lab. One lab I have given, in the same lab do all the three simulations. Okay na. So this I have given, request response I have given, but in your lab it is commented, please uncomment it and run the simulation. Okay, and third scenario now I have written, get method and put method, just remove that get next item and write get, remove this item done and write put, that's it. Okay, all the three scenarios will be completed. Okay, yes. So that's about the all the scenarios of the driver sequencer handshaking mechanism. Okay na. So okay, so I'll stop here. Okay, this is what I planned for today. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards you can see the schedule here. According to this we can proceed. Okay na. Yes, but till I complete SV I will not take 2 session, it's not possible with respect to my schedule. But once I complete SV this Saturday, I'll try to start taking the 2 session for UVM. Okay na. Yes, and by 31st my plan is, if possible, to complete this part. Okay, yes, but I may ask you people to give the presentation at any point of time. Okay, till 31st 100% I will not ask, but from January 2nd anytime I may ask you people to show the presentation of the lab. So every day whatever the labs I am providing, do the simulation. If you have any doubt, immediately next day, you don't have to wait till 31st also, you ask me the doubt, I will clarify the doubt, then only I will proceed with the syllabus coverage. Okay na. Don't wait till I ask, tell me the doubts. Okay, when you have doubts, immediately respond back. And main importantly, in the question sim, how to analyze the output, that I will ask, 100% I'll ask. Okay, so that's why analyzation of the output should be very clear. Plus in every file, so for example I may ask you people, tell me what are the steps to write in the driver, basic steps. Okay, then what you will tell, class and class, registration, constructor, custom constructor. Okay, next, build phase not required, because inside the driver you are not creating anything. Directly we need to write the run phase. Inside the run phase what we will write, get next item item done. Inside the get next item item done, we are going to write the logic of the driver. This is the answer expected. Like this you have to study UVM. In interview also this is what they expect you to tell. Generally I told this. Okay, I don't want any logic, you don't have to tell any logic. This is what the answer that you have to come prepared for. That is why for UVM basically syllabus is less, but the interaction of the student should be more. Okay, means the review should be taken properly, then only you will understand. Simply listening to the session is not fine. Okay, for each and every candidate I will ask you people to share the screen. I'll ask you people to explain the concepts. Okay na. Yes, and I'll give that schedule in the coming week. Once I complete this part of syllabus, I will give that schedule. Okay, you guys can start your preparation early. Okay na. Yes, okay guys, so thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you.